Hello everybody and welcome back to a brand new video. So ignore the mess, I just wanted to have some fun at the beginning of the video, but I've got those really cool 3D prints right here. These are the Wraith knife from Apex Legends. So today we are going to make a scale model to the model in the game. So let's get started. So I tried super gluing some 3D printed parts with this super glue. It did not work out because of the seams on the first layer and stuff. So I guess I will spray it with some clear coat so I can cover those seams and then I can glue them. So let's give it a try. So I've got my clear coat layer done. So I'll wait for it to dry really quickly and then I'll get my super glue and start gluing. So it's dried up completely now, it's time to glue it. So guys, there's a very little problem. Yeah guys, I broke it. So after I got in my 3D printer, I just kept flipping it around and then it dropped onto the floor like from the tip and then it broke. So here's the tip. I will do my best to try and glue it back in place. It's gonna be very hard because of my stupidity, but I'll do my best. So actually guys, the glue made it kind of easy because it melted the piece of plastic down and it bonded really good. So yeah, that's some good news right here. So now let's get some sandpapers and start sanding and cleaning the model up. So I have this 180 grade sandpaper right here, which I'm gonna use on most of the model. So let's start a time lapse of sanding. So I'll just start the masking process and I'll paint it and finish up. So let's continue the project. So I'm outside right now guys and I've got this little thing right here. I'm gonna clean this part. So let's clean it really quickly. So I'm doing this just so if there's any dirt or something, the air won't push it into my piece. So I've got a little piece that I'm gonna be painting. I've got my silver paint. I've got some paper. I've got a little container. I'll show you a quick tip to use it, and let's start preparing it. So the first thing you want to do is raise instructions on your can really quickly. I did that already, and I'm completely ready. So clean this carefully before you start working, and I've got this container to put it on top of it between each coat. So let's start. So on the bottle it says to keep shaking it for about a minute or something, so I'll do that and then I'll start spraying. So guys, the first layer of paint is completely done, and the silver paint looks really great. So I've got different thicknesses of masking tape, and I'm gonna start masking the edges and stuff. So let's get started. So now guys, I've got all the masking completely done. It was a pain, it took about 35 minutes to finish, and yeah, let's get the black paint and get outside and start painting. So guys, here is final product right here. I've waited for some time for it to dry, and I'm back on my workbench, and yeah, I'll start peeling all the masking tape, and this is the completely finished side. Like, this side did not even start masking this side, and yeah, so I'll start peeling up everything. And in case you're wondering what I was using while masking, this is a 3D printed guitar pick. It's really cool, and I used it to help myself get on those tight areas. So I'll start now peeling all the masking tape off of it. So as you can see guys, this thing speaks for itself. For me it looks really good. I don't know, it's not perfect, I know, but it looks really great actually. So I'll do the same to the other side and then I'll start the painting, but overall this side looks amazing. So guys, here it is. It looks really cool actually. I'm so happy with the finished product. This is my first ever project like this, with spray paint and sanding and stuff. I did not really use spray paint in any of my other projects in the past, maybe 1 or 2 projects, but I'm not a professional by any means, and this looks really good for me. And the inside is still silver and stuff. It looks really great actually guys, but there's a little bit of imperfections in some spots if you can spot it. So if you ask me if I'll make this again, I would spend more time at sanding and masking and painting. Those stuff are the most important things actually. Like, the print quality won't matter that much, but it came off the printer really good actually. So it's overall really good. I gave it a layer of clear coat at the end just to protect it a little bit, and it looks really amazing and really shiny. So yeah, thanks guys for watching the video, and hopefully you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video.